For Williamson County, this is Week in Review.
Welcome, incoming freshmen to Franklin High!
Tonight we have our Rising 8th grade parent open house and student open house. We are mostly focusing on registration, so what courses we have available here, what activities we offer.
Today, President Lincoln visited us and talked all about his life, and it was really entertaining to listen to. So we made oobleck for science. We made it because we were learning about solids and liquid, and oobleck is a solid and a liquid.
This is my blue dog. I themed it after Rosie the Riveter, and it will be displayed at the First Art Show on February the 24th.
This week at Mill Creek, we're doing grid this self-portraits.
We took a picture of ourselves and we're gridding each square. Every 30 minutes we take a progression picture.
And Charlotte's Web is just an opportunity for our 8th grade advanced year-round drama to basically direct, produce, act, design a whole show on their own.
We are hosting an American Red Cross blood drive in order to get more blood donations for the country.
People need it every day, and I figured this is one of the few ways I can help right now.
Today we put together Valentine's Day cards that your parents have bought to support our school. We will be donating the funds to make a school garden. Thank you for supporting our school.
We discovered that if it's lesser weight, it shoots forward, but if it's torn flat, then it will shoot less forward.
In art today, we were working on collages, and we're trying to put pieces together, and we can make different ones. So right now we can do monster face, we can create different styles in our backgrounds. And they turn out really creepy a lot of times.
Sunset Middle just had their spring pep rally, and we played a game, a real life version of Hungry Hungry Hippos. We played 2 rounds of it, and both times the teachers won.
This week in Spanish class, we're learning how to speak in the past tense. We're learning this by writing children's stories. This will help us have a better understanding of the present and perfect tenses in Spanish.
Nolensville Elementary, we sang in a Valentine's program.
Today in Eagle Council we made homeless kits. We put toothbrushes and granola bars in them. I hope they go to some who personally helps them.
We are learning how to work with the puppetry of the dragon and our school's musical, Shrek Jr., which comes out the first week of March this year.
We're doing an Avid Codex Moment scavenger hunt.
It's very fun.
And we gotta take pictures of what is on that list around the school.
So our kindergartners earned a science lesson through their PBIS.
This is my granddad, and he spoke to my 3rd grade classmates, and he taught us about thinking outside the box.
Today we hosted our annual Volunteer Appreciation Breakfast. We are so fortunate here at Perry Creek to have lots and lots of volunteers who come and help us support our students. So we decided this year to have it on Valentine's Day because we love our volunteers.
We're former Navy SEALs, and we were also college athletes. So when we were done with the SEAL teams, we thought through, man, everything that I wish I had known as a young athlete to prolong my career and be more successful. So we try to share those things, teach from experience, put them through an environment, and it usually pays off very well for them.
Squishy circuits are close to electrical currents.
Using conductive Play-Doh.
Insulating modeling clay.
LED lights. And a battery pack.
Squishy circuits are circuits made out of Play-Doh. We made a little girl.
We did a really fun project. We had a budget and we had to plan a whole trip. We got to decide our destination too.
My destination for my project was Dublin. Did you know Dublin has a very rich literary history?
My travel destination was the windy city of Chicago.
At Nolensville High School, we have some visiting high school teachers from Beijing, China, excited to learn about how things work at our school.
We are learning about similes, and on Valentine's Day, we developed some similes. Here are some for you. Miss Garner's eyes are as colorful as the setting sun. The sunset is as beautiful as dawn.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Thank you. Recently, Heritage Middle School Student Council has sold and delivered carnations to students
To celebrate Valentine's Day.
We had to build a house that the big back wolf could not blow down.
Today at Chapman's we had a very special guest. The Belmont Repertory Company came to perform for us.
Pretty much today we're working on muscles. We're doing wall sits to see how long we can sit without getting muscle fatigue.
It's market day at Clovercroft in 3rd grade, and we're selling items to learn about supply and demand.
Students were selected to participate in the Move to Stand, and we just finished, and it was very powerful, and I think that a lot of students will change their thinking and heart towards other students.
This show is about a girl named Elle Woods, and she is basically chasing after this guy that she had fallen in love with and had just broken up with her, and she's like, no, oh my gosh, I love you, I need to try and be smarter and go to Harvard.
We are busy conducting our BizTown interviews for our business simulation that the 5th graders will be doing. We have invited community leaders from around Spring Hill, Tennessee to come and conduct the interviews with students.
This week in Hunter's Bend in 2nd grade, we are doing Math Olympics.
We had a webinar in Miss Lewis's Discovery class.
We talked with my uncle, Will Helsley, who's the Vice President of Propulsion at SpaceX Valvoline Gas.
We are learning about magnets and science. We learned that opposites attract. We're using the magnetic force to move the magnets across the table.
These are our Valentine boxes. And we as a math problem, we had to make sure our opening was 5 by 2 inches.
We're at PE today. We are working out our muscles on these scooter things. It's basically a relay race.
This is Brown High, and this is R2 3D, and we're working on making stuffed animals.
Today is jump rope. Today we were in PE learning how to jump. We have stations, and our stations were learning how to jump and do exercise.
This is a propeller-driven vehicle, and whenever you wind up the rubber band, it stores potential energy, and when you let it go, kinetic energy to make it move.
This has been Week in Review.